We've talked about risk management. Well, one thing I want to be clear of is the key component of risk management, and that is that there are always two exits planned. There is a plan for exiting to take a profit, which of course is what we want. That's what we hope to have happen, but it doesn't always work out, does it? So we also have to have a plan to exit and take a loss so that we can responsibly manage our risks to keep our losses small and let our profits become big and frequent. So how do we do that? Well, every time I make a trade, almost any kind of trade, what I do is the first thing that I do is after the trade executes, I go and I set a limit order to take profits, usually a good till cancel order. And at the same time, depending on what type of trade it is, if it's a trade where I would use a stop order, I would add an OCO, one cancels other, or stop order, and make that good till cancel as well. So then whichever one fills, the other one gets canceled. So I either get filled and take my profit or get filled and take my smaller loss. Now, that said, in situations where I don't use a stop and I instead use the limit order, then I'll put in the good till cancel limit order to take a profit, and I will set an alert at my loss taking target. And what I will do is I'll look at that and I'll make small adjustments to that because theta and vega could change, some of those profit targets and loss targets as time passes. So I'll just update those, keep an eye on those, and that enables me to keep tight risk management. Hope that helps. This is Dan Passarelli, Trade Smart.